Well, welcome to Meteorological Spring. We got off to a very spring-like start to the season. Temperatures in the mid-50s today. A meteorological winter ending yesterday. Ended up near average. Temperatures pretty close to around normal overall, but there are some subtle differences. One is the complete lack of snowfall. We saw roughly half of the amount of snow that we usually see, a good 13 inches below average. And interestingly enough, warmer than average days, but colder than average nights. So those two kind of balanced each other out, where the nights were chillier, but those days spent a little more often above freezing, resulting in that near average temperature overall. But keep in mind, that is probably going to be the trend moving forward here as our winters continue to warm because of climate change. We're up a good 5 degrees when it comes to the average temperature over the last 50 years, and that trend's definitely going to keep continuing. So look for possibly more winters like this, where there's less chilly days, less chilly nights, and less snow to play in, and of course less moisture than going into the spring season, so that all can snowball to the point where drought can become a concern. In the meantime, 3 days in a row in the 50s. That's what's ahead for tomorrow. Tomorrow would make it day 3 in a row. First time since mid-December we've been at the 50s or warmer. Keep in mind, wintry weather doesn't want to go away permanently, though, just yet. You can see that we'll drop about 20 degrees later this week with some hints of snow in the air as well. In the meantime, though, we don't have to worry about any of that tonight. We're near freezing under a mainly cloudy sky. It will be a little brisk then going into tomorrow, with temperatures hovering on the chilly end in the morning, but then quickly warming up from there, back close to 50 by noon, just like we saw as of today. And like today, a little on the cloudy end, some sunshine ever so often, mid-50s ahead of the forecast for another day in a row. So definitely feeling that spring-like warmth. And as we get closer and closer to the spring season officially, just make sure that you're ready for severe weather. Have ways to get weather alerts, multiple ones at that. Make sure your phones are well charged before anytime you see severe weather, and also adjust your plans if need be. May get a couple rumbles of thunder as of Saturday night. We'll keep an eye on this for you. Otherwise, just looking at a rainy Saturday. That's our next chance for precipitation. Every other day, dry leading up to that point. And keep in mind, rain-snow mix is a possibility into next week as the weather goes back and forth. We're in the 50s tomorrow, 30s for Thursday, back up to the 50s for Saturday, then down into the low 40s early next week, which is why we're talking about a rain-snow mix on Monday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we eventually settle into the 40s next week. Though, as you can see, there are still some chilly days lingering out there. And because we got so warm today, our streak is over. We're off by 6 degrees. So that means Nicole W. of Rockford wins $286 as part of the 4-degree guarantee. We'll see if we can go another month without breaking the streak starting tomorrow, Brittany.
Yes, a new month, a new start for us, Alex. Thanks.